Hi, hey guys, welcome back to SRE Customs. This is the OBR case read uh, 30.5 that came in to me, and it was in pretty bad shape. It had a cracked housing. Someone ran a bolt all the way through into here and busted a hole inside the case. So I'll tell you what we did. We tore it right down to the bare nothing. We got Poloni reeds in it, or Melosi reeds in it now. I put a new vented 30.5 clutch housing for him. We put our billet cylinder head on it for him. We put light in the flywheel, balanced it, fan shroud, recoil, recoil dogs. Every gasket is new, every seal is new, bearings are new. I mean, we went right through it good. And I'll tell you, it's got some wicked pop to it when you pull it over. It sounds real good. I got to get it up and get it on the engine stand next, and we're going to get it fired up. And I hope he don't mind. I had to cut his cover there, and I wanted that in there so it would direct the air still from the flywheel over the head. We trued the crank. I mean, I don't know all the stuff there. I repaired the case. And then when I was talking to Larry on the phone, we got along good. It was like I've known him for a long time. A very comfortable, easy guy to talk to. So I made up a decision that I wasn't going to charge him for labor. I decided to do this and just charge him for parts, which he was happy to hear. I charge $85 just to cut the head off and the cylinder head and to set the squish. So I gave him I did everything for $113. That was with parts, with the piston. I did one of our pop-up pistons in it. Let me see if I can. It pulls over hard. Let me see if I can turn it over to get the. Let me show you guys. Wow, that sucker turns hard. Okay, there we go. There, now maybe we can get in there and get a look at the pop-up. I still can't get you in the right light. But anyway, I did a new piston. Knew everything. So his spark plug wire, his coil, everything was fine there. So we went with that. I put a new kill switch and new kill switch wires in there. I mean, he should be straight. So, okay guys, I'm not going to bore you with any more of this. I'm going to get it out and get it bolted on the engine stand so I can get it fired up and get it out of here by tomorrow afternoon. Okay guys, this is SRE and I'm out.